Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new or if you are not yet subscribing this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get an notification when we upload a new video. And also, you are interested in this video, please like and also share this video to your friends. In this video I will discuss mistakes that most of internet marketers make. Internet marketers are also required to have a deep knowledge about how the internet market works and the industry competition in order to make sure whether or not a given idea or new venture would be a success in the market or not. As you see in the video title, in this video, we will see the 3 mistakes to avoid in internet marketing. Some of the methods in the internet marketing will enable you to get paid instantly for products delivered automatically while you are sleeping. Other methods will enable the creation of weekly or monthly income, either through electronic payments or checks mailed to your home. But in this video, I will discuss the 3 mistakes to avoid in internet marketing. If you are interested in internet marketing success, this video is for you. Okay, when we come to internet marketing, there are things that you simply need to avoid so that you will not waste your time. Unfortunately, these are very common mistakes, and if you are able to avoid these, you will be able to have an edge on your competition. If you are serious about being a successful internet marketer, then you need to focus on these mistakes and to remember to avoid them. The first and most of internet marketers' mistake is not having a niche. Okay, you may ask what a niche is? Now let's define what is a niche first, so we both know what I am talking about. Okay, a niche is just a tiny or a highly specialized marketplace. And a marketplace means that there is having demand and supply. Why niche marketing is important? Many people may ask why niche marketing is so important. Well, there are several reasons selecting niche market is important. Okay, the first one is, selecting niche market gives less competition. The more specific your market is, the less competition you will experience. You can brand yourself as the expert as long as you deliver high-quality information to your prospects. The second important of selecting niche market is, no large corporations. Because niche markets are relatively small and require special knowledge, large corporations will often skip them. That means you do not have to compete with their million-dollar budgets. I think this is the big advantage for small niche marketers. The main thing is empowering yourself with the exciting thoughts and that the world is the marketplace, and that electronic business is conducted around the clock. Unlike the brick-and-mortar world, the doors never close on the internet. Basically, there are 2 ways to find and select the best niche for you. You can follow your passion to select your niche market, or you can follow the money to get your niche market. If you follow your passion, it will be easy to develop content, because you are the expert and you do what you love. As long as you have a great interest and know more than most of your prospects, you'll be able to succeed. And if you follow the money, financially you are already on the right track. But it will be more difficult for you to develop content. Making your presence known online is all about having a niche. If you fail to choose a good niche, you will never be able to really succeed. This is because the internet already has a lot of competition. And so, you need to find a niche where you can excel and actually get traffic to your site. The second and most of the internet marketers' mistake is rushing the process. Too many people simply try to get overnight success, and this is not going to happen. Most of us have plans and goals that far exceed our realities. And it can be a painful feeling to know that you are selling yourself short. Despite this though, many of us are too afraid or too unsure to take the necessary next steps. If you are serious about being able to succeed in any aspect of life, rushing things will only make things worse. You need to take it slow and focus on long-term success. Once you realize that patience really is a virtue, you will see that your online journey will only get better. The last but not the least internet marketer's mistake is no originality. The mindset of a successful entrepreneur is a unique one. They are constantly perusing new ideas and ways of making money. In order for you to be a successful internet marketer, there are a few tips you should follow. The internet has a lot of content, and so you cannot be a copy of other things. You will need to be original and have your own style on the internet. Once you are able to do this, there is no stopping you from succeeding. If you are able to avoid these simple things, you will be able to really make your presence known on the internet. Most people will admit that these are the simplest mistakes to create. And if you avoid these from the very beginning, you will be able to really prosper online. We are delighted to present this information and extend our best wishes for your success. Thank you for taking this video information with us. Finally, thanks for watching this video. If you are interested to get more videos like this, consider subscribing my channel. And if you get valuable information from this video, like and also share the video to your friends. Okay, I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thanks.